Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Stories from an Educator. In this series, I share a story that took place in my career in education, what I learned from it, and how it can be applied to you. My story today is about picture books, comics, and cartoons. Elementary teachers are familiar with these items, but I also used picture books when I taught high school. Specifically, near the end of the school year, I had a lesson where students could choose to watch a historical cartoon from the 1940s or read a comic book from that time period. They chose the cartoon, of course. I had the students explore the cartoon as a historical piece and what message it was trying to share in the time period. The same can be done with picture books. While picture books can be used to share life lessons or important social emotional skills, sometimes it can be interesting for the students to think about when the picture book was published and how it depicts the time period, if applicable. Is there old technology in the book the students have never used? Is the language different from a picture book published more recently? So, in this time of year when students may be low energy, using picture books to think about different points in history can be an exciting activity. Remember, you are doing your best with the knowledge you have at the time.